Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, is now outlining three possible trajectories for global growth, with the outcome hinging on how the conflict affecting the Strait of Hormuz unfolds. The outlook, delivered by IMF Chief Economist Pierre-Olivier Gourinchas, outlined its reference forecast, which assumes a short-lived conflict with a moderate 19% increase in energy prices in 2026.
Global growth falls to 3.1% this year, a downgrade from January forecast, and headline inflation rises to 4.4%. Our adverse scenario assumes further disruption, leading to higher energy prices and inflation expectations and tighter financial conditions throughout the year. Growth falls to 2.5% this year, and inflation rises to 5.4%.
The IMF's severe scenario assumes that energy supply disruptions extend into next year with greater macroeconomic instability. In this case, global growth falls to 2% this year, while inflation exceeds 6%.
The reference forecast has as its core an assumption of a relatively limited conflict that gets resolved in the second half of the year, and then with energy prices that are normalizing in that second half of the year and then into next year. Very clearly, with every day that passes where we don't have a resolution, where the flow of oil and gas is more limited through the Strait of Hormuz, we're moving away from that scenario.
Currently, the world sits between the reference and adverse scenarios, and every day that passes that we have more disruption in energy, we are drifting closer towards the adverse scenario. In the meantime, countries are being urged not to derail from the pursuit of durable growth during the ongoing conflict over oil supply.
It should also spur faster adoption of renewable energy, which can strengthen resilience to energy shocks, improve energy security, and support the climate transition.
And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.